top 5 note-taking apps for maximum productivity in 2024.
Looking for the perfect way to organize your ideas and stay productive? In this video, we'll highlight the top 5 note-taking apps that offer powerful features, seamless syncing, and intuitive design. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative thinker, these apps will help you capture inspiration and manage your tasks with ease.
1. Notion.
Notion stands out as a highly customizable app that combines note-taking, task management, and databases all in one. Its flexible interface lets you create pages, lists, and dashboards to suit your workflow. Powerful collaboration tools make it ideal for teams, while templates help you get started quickly. Notion works across devices and integrates with other popular services.
2. Evernote.
Evernote remains a favorite for its ease of use, strong search functionality, and ability to organize notes into notebooks and tags. You can save text, images, web clippings, and more, making it versatile for any type of information. Cross-platform syncing ensures your notes are always accessible, and built-in to-do lists help streamline your productivity.
3. Microsoft OneNote.
Microsoft OneNote offers a digital notebook experience that feels familiar and flexible. You can organize notes into sections and pages, use a stylus for handwritten notes, and insert multimedia content with ease. Deep integration with Microsoft 365 makes it a natural choice for office users. While it's free, cross-platform availability is a major plus.
4. Apple Notes.
Apple Notes provides a simple yet powerful note-taking experience for Apple device users. Its seamless syncing across iPhone, iPad, and Mac makes capturing ideas effortless. With features like checklists, document scanning, and drawing tools, Apple Notes meets both basic and advanced needs, all while maintaining your privacy and security.
5. Google Keep.
Google Keep is perfect for fast, intuitive note-taking on the go. You can create color-coded notes, set reminders, and add checklists with just a few taps. Integration with Google services simplifies sharing and searching, while real-time syncing keeps your notes up to date across all devices. It's a great choice for quick thoughts and task lists.
Choose your productivity partner.
Each of these note-taking apps offers unique features to suit different needs and work styles. Whether you want deep organization, rich multimedia support, or lightning-fast note capture, there's an option for you. Try out a few to see which one boosts your productivity the most, and start capturing your ideas with confidence.